So when you come to Bet Niger, you log in. I'm using my system. You log into your Bet Niger. I'm using my friend's account. So once you log in with your phone, you click on this casino. You get? Once you click on casino, you scroll down. See for Niger. You click on it, you use play. For instance, when you open it on your phone, it will show you this interface. So here, you will see statistics. Once you click statistics, you will see the games you are about to play. On the statistics, this total column, this is where you'll be taking those max winning streaks you are talking about. This max winning streaks, you click on 100 draws. On 100 draws, you will see green. Max winning streaks is 2, your game. So you'll be waiting for green to win. So there's nothing much here. If you want to return back to statistics, you click history. You see it. Then, if you want to pick your games, for instance, okay, no time. If you want to pick your game, you put the amount you want to use here. For instance, you are starting with 300. So you play your game with 100 naira. If you want to play now, you click on green, you place your bet. You click on no winning color, you place your bet. You click on ledge, you place your bet. You understand? So you wait for your game to play. This interface will allow the plan I want to show you now to work. Then after this one, the next take will be 126, because what you get is 380. I will send you the plan after. So we will wait for the game to play. I eliminated blue. So let's see. So no winning color 1, as you can see. So the next take will be 126. Hope you are seeing it here. 126 now. Again, I will eliminate no winning color. Now, so without your strategy, so far it's 100%. Once you play 8 in a day, you wait until we finish our game. So you wait for this one to play again. You wait for it to play. So we'll be checking the statistics from here. No winning color have come out 2 times, and the match winning streaks is 3. That is why I eliminated it. So blue win now. You see it now. Then the next take now will be 154, 159, I think. Then I eliminate no winning color again, and so on. So this is. Then you will be very careful, because this is rollover. It is called rollover. And we need to play 48 games. So that 8 games on 6 days will be 48 games. And after that game, trust me, we will be big boys. So let's see. Okay. Blue have won. So you see it now. We see the profit I've made now. Then the next take will be 201. I will send you the plan, don't worry. Now I will eliminate blue. I will eliminate blue now. Then see where you'll be taking the match winning streaks. Here on this total column, you click 100 draw. So blue max winning streaks is 3, red is 3, green is 2, no winning color is 3. So I think this is where your signal is on green. Once green with 2 times you strike. So see the interface here. You see it? So I won now. Hope you see as it is going. Then here we go again. I will eliminate. I'm just playing randomly. You understand? Then I will eliminate. Let's say I will eliminate red now. I will eliminate red. Let's see what we will have. Let's see what we will have. The only true God, the beginning and the end, the sole provider. So no winning color has won again. You see, I have made 745 now. From you see the profit I have made now. So the next stake now will be 321. Then I will eliminate red again. I will eliminate red again and place my bet. Now I don't know, it's like 321. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on the 6th stake now. I'm on the 6th stake. So I eliminated red now. Let's see what happens. I eliminated red. Okay, no winning color 1. Hope you see I've made 1,000 now. 1,000 profit. You see how it is going? My next stake now will be 408. This 408 now, I will eliminate. Let's say I will eliminate green. I will send you the plan. Don't worry. I'm just showing you what I want us to do. 8 games daily. I know you can do it. And all the games you must play must be 100% sure. So I eliminated green now. Let's see the outcome. Okay. Okay. Red has won. You see my this thing. Now the next stake will be 516. I will eliminate no winning color now. I will eliminate no winning color. You see, I'm not checking statistics. I'm just trying to show you something. That is why this is the 8th game. This one I'm about to play now is the 8th game. So let's see. I eliminated no winning color. Let's see what happens. Okay, red win again. You see the profit I've made now. You see it here. 1,800. Then my next stake is 650. I will now eliminate red. I will eliminate red now. There is no 2 ways about it. Red has won 2 times. And the match winning streaks of red is 3. I know this is not your signal, but I'm just showing you something. You get? I eliminated red now. So let's see what we get. Let's see the outcome. Okay. Okay. Now green won. You see the profit we have made. You see 2,325. So we move. Now we eliminate green. Next stake will be 854. I will eliminate green. So I know your second and now should be if Green win second time now, you will strike the next game. Green, the match winning streak is 2. And I know that is your second. I will wait for it to win second time, then you play. Okay? Blue has won. So you see my profit. My profit is at 6,000 now. So this is how it is. Thank you. I know you can do it. After, just comment.